Hello everyone, welcome to Chirags PostgreSQL DB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install PostgreSQL 17 with pgAudit support on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So first question in our mind is that what is the pgAudit? So pgAudit PostgreSQL Audit Extension provides the detailed session and or the object level logging for the PostgreSQL. So it's especially useful for meeting compliance requirement like PCI-DSS, HIPAA, or SOX. So what pgAudit provides? So this provides the statement level logging, just like select, insert, update, delete operations, uh, and object level logging, which is a table schema changes, etc., and who were accessed, and session logging logs for session or user, including role switching, and helps with the compliance auditing by capturing detailed actions. So here is the step-by-step guide to enable and use the pgAudit PostgreSQL Audit Extension in PostgreSQL 17 on Linux-based system, that is the Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. I'm using here 24 Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. I'm not using this. So you can use both the system. That's not issue. So leave it. So first step, we are going to install the PostgreSQL 17 with the pgAudit support. So in a part, I'm going to add the PostgreSQL apt repository if not done. So run this command here your PostgreSQL Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS server. So this server is running with my VMware workstation, that is Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS server. So let me access this server, cmd ssh tpt my user 192.168.224.128. Password, while installing I have given the password admin@123. This is the password. So clear. So this is my server node 1. So step by step I'll go. So I'll just install this thing. So added. Now I'm going to update the system packages, because just now we added the source list and key file. Now going to install the PostgreSQL 17 audit extension. So after that, we'll just enable the pgAudit in PostgreSQL configuration file. So configuration file path will be the sudo and this this is the path /etc PostgreSQL /17 main PostgreSQL.conf. So this will be the path. So I'll open with the nano editor. Just open this and search for pg preload libraries. So here I'll just include pgAudit. Just write down the pgAudit, go to the end, create a new line and add these lines. This is about the pgAudit log all. So pgAudit log all, let me write down this one, then I will tell you. So pgAudit log value will be the read. For the all the select statement will capture. If you giving the write, then insert, update, delete will capture. Function, all the function related, role related, DLL operations, and miscellaneous, and all. I'm giving the all the log will be captured here. So Control X, Y, and save. Now restart the PostgreSQL. Whatever the changes you have done in the PostgreSQL configuration file, this should be applied. So for that, we need to restart the PostgreSQL database. So I'm restarting that. Done. Now I'm going to log into PostgreSQL. So create extension pgAudit. So extension is created. Now create a test database and user for the logging purpose. So I'm going to create the database, then user, then giving the privileges. Now switch to the pgAudit. Previously this is a Postgres database. Now I'm going to just switch to the pgAudit audit DB. So this is my audit DB. Now create a table and grant employees to the user and give the sequence access. So all are granted. Now going to exit from there. So as a PG audit user, I am going to log in, give the wrong password. So done. Now again do the same and give the original password. Original password is there. You can able to see this audit at the rate 123. Okay. So AUDIT at the rate 123. So done. You can able to access your database. Now audit database I am access. Now perform some operations. So select extract from employee. Done. Insert one data and just quit. Now check the tail log. So here you can find the audit log. Audit log is there. Create table. Create table is done. Role and grant. This is also done. And there is a session and password authentication failed because we have done the wrong password and try to insert. So all the things are captured here, and especially audit capture the DDL operation, role and read write, and there is select. Okay, so this will be looks like if you arrange all the logs. So this will be looks like all the audit log will be looks like this. Okay. Then customize the logging. So you can customize the logging just like for the read, only for the read select operation. You can listing log there, and write operation, function, role, DDL, MISC, and all the files you can log one by one. And example is that pgaudit.log read and write. Previously we have given the all. Here you can able to see we have given all. So as per your requirement, you can change and you can give to the read write and MISC for all DDL changes. So you can give like that. And next is the security best practices. So give your PostgreSQL configuration file 640 permission. So change permission to 640 and rotate log periodically. So you can give this attributes also. Uninstall and disable pgAudit. So you remove the pgAudit from here and then uninstall, drop the extension, then uninstall the package. Okay. So for the if you are delete operation you are doing, then you will get it like this. So I'm showing one more. So in this video we have learned how to install and configure the PG PostgreSQL 17 with the pgAudit support on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So step by step process is given there. For any doubts and query, write on the YouTube video comment section. Please follow the process on in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.